Urbanus here, Learn to Craft. I'm going to show you today how to use font glyphs on Cricut Design Space on a Mac. This is incredibly easy and a really important skill to know, especially if you want to get into designing for yourself, which most of us move into. You're really going to enjoy this. So let's go ahead and get started. If this video is of interest to you or helpful, like the video, but also subscribe to my channel. When you're subscribed, you'll get notifications when the new videos come out, probably once or twice a week. Lots of good videos coming up. There's a whole design series you're not going to want to miss out on. Again, just teaching you how to design for yourself. So subscribe, you'll get the notifications. One other thing real quick, I'm going to link in the video description. When you're looking at the video, underneath there's an arrow. Click on that. That'll expand the video description. I'm going to link in there a few things. I'm going to link this font. Absolutely fantastic. I just got it recently and I'm just in love with it. So I'm gonna link this font. I'm gonna link our Facebook group. We actually have a massive collaborative, about 2 million members. I'm gonna link Cricut for Beginners. It's about 560,000 members right now. Super friendly, super helpful. You'll fit right in. So make sure you join us there. I'll link that in the video description. And then, oh, one other thing I'm going to link in there. I'm going to link a YouTube video on how to install fonts. If you don't know how to install fonts on a Mac, it's incredibly easy. So I'll link that as well in the video description. So let's go ahead and get started here. So easy. So we're going to turn this into this. So what you're going to do is you're going to first thing, pull up, click Command and Spacebar, okay? And then you're going to click in here and you're going to pull up Font Book, okay? And then Font Book, when you pull this up, you may see it like this. If it's like this, click on All Fonts over here on the left. And then these are your glyphs over here. Okay, not all fonts have glyphs. Glyphs are extra decorative characters. A lot of modern fonts do, though. So let's go ahead and scroll down here to the first one that we're going to be using is that S. And I know that's down here on the bottom in this font right here somewhere. Okay, so click on it. And now click Command C as in cat. Okay, and then go to your screen. And you're going to want to get rid of that S. And now Command V as in Victor. Okay, and the next letter we're replacing is this B. So we'll get rid of that. And now we'll go back to Font Book and we'll find the B that we want to use. Up here at the top. That's the B. Again, Command C. And then Command V as in Victor. And the last letter we are replacing is the N. And so let me just quickly say, so you can see here that the way I have done it is one way, but the beauty of font glyphs is that you can make your font work look any way you want it to look. So especially the font like this, it has a massive amount of glyphs. Isn't this beautiful? Like I said, I'm going to link this in the video description. You want this font. It is amazing. So, but that's part of what we're going to get into. And so this is the N right here. Command C. And then Command V like Victor. And that's it. That's all there is to that. But this is something we're going to get into more in the video series moving forward. The design series is we're going to get into, so now you know how to do font work. Now we're going to get into how to pair fonts and how to use elements and how to take that knowledge and build it into your own designs. So you're not going to want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe so you get a notification when the new videos come out. But I mean, that's about it. Make sure you join us on Facebook. If you have any questions at all, you can ask them in the comments below the video here, or better yet, like I said, join me on Facebook. You can approach me in the group. I'm always there, and I'm more than happy to help if you have any questions or you need help with anything. So that's it. I hope you have a good day. Bye.